Hi.
I'm Trisha, and this is my partner John and my friend Elia. So now we're going to find out our angle of elevation using this clinometer. So I'm standing here, and my distance from this post is 10 meters, as what my partner has said a while ago. So now I'm going to find out our angle of elevation through this spotter, the straw, and this thing over here as our reference. So let's see. Okay, John, partner. So what's the angle?
60 degrees.
Oh, 60. So what will you do now? Assistant, do you know how? So we have 60 degrees as I stand over here. So how can we measure our angle of elevation?
By getting the distance of the observer from the object, from the post. And the distance of the observer from the post is equal to 10 feet. The observer's height is equal to 411.
Yeah. And now that we get 60, so what do we do now? Should we minus it with something?
Yes.
Yes. So now we are going to minus 90 with 60. So we got 60. We will minus it with 90. So 90 minus 60 is 30.
30.
Yes. Very good. So 90 minus 60 is 30. So now our angle of elevation is 30. And now our friends over here